Hey everybody, welcome back to your favorite bug control channel. We are dealing with a common household nuance today, ants. Want to get rid of them completely? Stick around for some amazing and efficient DIY tips to keep these troubling critters far away. Let's delve into some powerful and simple DIY solutions. Our first solution is probably waiting in your kitchen. It's as simple as vinegar. Add equal parts of water and vinegar in a spray bottle. These buggers hate strong scent of vinegar as their trails get disrupted, making it difficult for them to navigate. The other solution is also lying in one of your kitchen cabinets, none other than cinnamon. Just sprinkle some cinnamon powder on all the visible entry points and spaces where ants might be active. The odor is unpleasant to the ants, which ends up making cinnamon another natural repellent. If your issue is more adverse and you are looking for a stronger solution, then mix borax with sugar water. Place this mixture in shallow containers among the ant trails. The sugar in this solution will attract the ants and the borax will act as a poisoning agent. This will help in eliminating the colony completely. It is also crucial to keep your kitchen and surrounding areas tidy. Wipe any dirty surfaces and keep food storage in concealed containers. This will prevent from ants attacking. If the ant issue is still persistent, don't hesitate to ring us a bell. Here at ASM Pest Control, we make sure to cater to all your pest control needs. So, what are you waiting for? Call now.